Hey guys, it's Annabelle, and today I'll be showing you how to make the perfect strawberry milk all on your own, because sometimes you can't make sometimes you just can't actually buy it because sometimes it's out of stock. But let's get started. Okay, so I've got all the ingredients you'll be needing and things. So you'll need a cup, strawberry sauce, some strawberry sauce. I'm using the Hershey's syrup, and of course you're going to be needing milk. So what you want to do first is pour in the milk. Put that over there. Okay, so don't mind my owner, she's helping me. You want to say hello? Hello everyone. I'll open this for you, Annabelle. Ugh. Sometimes it is hard to get up. So you want to pour it in like this. Oh, and you also need a spoon, so I'll just get one quickly. It's turning pink. You may not be able to see it, but it is turning pink. That's good. Stir a bit more. Delicious. So I'll just put that in the sink there. So what do you want to do next? Well, I think we could add some more fruits. Yeah, to make it probably a bit more healthy. I'll go get the fruits. Hold on, I just gotta let the... I got some strawberries because why not? Perfect. Open these up. This one smells nice. Smell it. Yeah. Remove these. I couldn't fully remove it, but we don't need that part anyways. There we go, and as you can see, it floats. It may not look pretty or anything, but it still will taste good. So yeah. We hope you guys enjoyed the video, and remember to like and subscribe. And remember, hit that notification bell so you can see all of our videos, and bye guys!